Has anyone ever suffered jalapeno hands? Well, if so, I feel your pain. For my top 3 tips and tricks, click the subscribe button below. All right, so if you ever were an idiot like me and cut jalapenos without gloves, let me show you what you're working with here. It's a jalapeno, and these beautiful little seeds, God's creation, they're punishment. They will make you cry if they get all over your hands. And that's where all the heat actually lives in the pepper. So if you take all these seeds out, the jalapeno itself is not that spicy. But these seeds that you see on the spoon will kill your hands. Okay guys, true story time. I thought that I was the invincible chef and that I had hands of steel. A few weeks ago, I had to peel 35 jalapenos to roast and I didn't have gloves. So I thought no problem. Well, 5 hours later, when I barely could get undressed from my work clothes because my hands were burning so much, it's a problem. So hopefully you never get to this point. So I will say the first step when you are cutting, whether it be 1 or 100 jalapenos, is just do yourself a favor and put some gloves on. But if you're a moron like I was, this is what saved me. First, I went over to the sink, and it's important that you use warm water because the cold water, for whatever reason, makes your hands feel like they're burning in hell. And then you want to get a clean nail brush, and really get into your hands, the palms of your hands, because the oils, especially in the winter, it got into all the cracks and it hurt, oh my gosh, so bad. So really, really, really give them a good scrub. Wait a couple minutes, and if the pain comes back like mine did, then you're gonna do step number 2, which is dairy. So get some milk, get some cream, get some yogurt, pour it into a bowl, get some paper towels, put your hand into the milk. This felt so good when I did this, when they were burning. It looked like I had like gloves on my hands, but it was just like red inflammation. And then get a paper towel and let it sop up the remainder of that milk. And just kind of hold it between your hands and let the milk really get all in there. Do this for a couple minutes. Wash your hands off. If the burn comes back, then you go to step number 3, which was oil. This is what actually worked for me. So I've had this happen before, but never this bad. So normally washing your hands and the dairy products does the trick, but this past time, I'm not joking, I was in so much pain. So any type of oil you have handy, here's some vegetable oil. You're just gonna do the same thing that you did with the milk. Get your hands saturated in the oil, get a paper towel, saturate it in the oil. And this, actually, when I got home from work, I watched TV for like an hour and just held this oily paper towel in my hands. But I explained why this works in the body of this video. I did some research myself, but I was able to finally sleep after this. So I hope this helps you. I hope you're a little brighter than I am and that you wear kitchen gloves is the moral of the story. But if not, soapy hot water, some milk and oil, and you'll be okay.